Alright guys, check this out. I got something special to show you guys. So this right here is a miniature version of the CAA Roni conversion kit. 2.05 scale. I added a laser to this bad boy. And basically this thing functions almost exactly like the real thing, and I'm gonna show you. Now this thing, it only can fit 3 of the little miniature little half scale pistols, and that is the 93R, the 945, and the Desert Eagle. Now but it only fits the, what I would say is the low end version of the Desert Eagle, not the high end Alloy Empire Desert Eagle. They actually aren't exact. They're the same scale, but the lower end Desert Eagle is shaped just a tad differently. Like right here on the top area is a little thinner. But let me show you what's up. So, functions of this thing. It's got the front handle. It's got some Picatinny little miniature, and the Picatinny it's all metal, just like the real thing. Not quite 11 millimeter. It's like 12 millimeters. So I had to modify the mount, but it's a little bit of playing with it, and it fits. The barrel is metal. It's got the flip up sights. Boom. It's got the adjustable stock. You can loosen this and raise that up, tighten it back up. Dope. Also, magazine. You can put your magazine right here. If you have an extra mag, just like the real thing. Pull the slide back. It's not ejecting all that great right now, but whatever. Ooh. Anyways, let's get that out of there. Alright, let me show you opening this bad boy up and changing out the gun. So basically, I gotta move this piece forward. Oops, I guess, or take it off. And then it's got a pin. It's got these two pins right here that need to come out. Just push them in, pull them out. Actually, you don't even have to pull them out all the way. And then basically pull this piece forward. You gotta pull the stock back, and then you can oops, pull that back too. Then you can open it. There we go. Now this piece just fell out of here. Because basically these are I want to say spacers to make it fit. So each gun you have to use the right spacers set. Like this one, I don't know if you can see that, but it says M93 R. So let's take that out. Take this spacer out. This one. This one and this one. And then the spacers come in these little bag. Let's see which one this is. This is my first time actually putting these other firearms in. So we're gonna see. we're gonna see what is up. This one is for the Desert Eagle. All right, let's see. Perfect fit. Put that off to the side. Let's put these little pieces in. Let's see. Looks like this one piece must go here. All right, fits nice and snug. Okay, now put the gun in, just like that, and then you gotta play with it. Gotta play with it a little bit just to get this the little slide piece in. Close it up, snap it. Close it up, snap it. Let's see it. Let's see. Okay. Just like that. See if the mag fits. Oh yeah, mag fits too. Yeah. So that's it. Again, flip up sights. Got the handle. I usually like to, once I get it in there, I usually like to pull it all the way back. Sometimes you can hold it like that. But pretty dope if you ask me. Yep. So anyways, that is the miniature version of the Roni conversion kit. Thanks for watching. If you like it. Subscribe, tell your friends. I got a lot more to show. A lot more. All right. Peace.